Where does the name for Aberystwyth come from? So today I'm in Ceredigion, just by the sea, and this town that I'm in now is called Aberystwyth. Let's get into the name.
Aberystwyth takes its name from the Afon Ystwyth. Aber means the mouth of a river, and Ystwyth means winding or curved. The river name is extremely old, recorded as early as the Roman period by Ptolemy as Stuchia, and later in Latin as Ieuctis.
But this river that flows through the middle of Aberystwyth is called the Afon Rheidol. What's going on there? The River Ystwyth is actually this river, just south of Aberystwyth.
A Norman fortification was built here in 1109, near the original mouth of the Ystwyth, with a settlement beside it that was likely the original Aberystwyth. After the Welsh recaptured the area, another stronghold, called Aberrheidol, was built further north, roughly where the modern town stands today. Over time, the name for Aberystwyth came to be associated with the new town and castle. According to the Dictionary of Place Names of Wales, earlier records refer to the town as Llanbadarn Fawr or Llanbadarn Gaerog, after the nearby church, before 1400 when Aberystwyth became the generally used name. After Edward I established the castle town in 1277, building it on the location of the earlier Norman castle, Aberystwyth gradually grew as a market town, port and lead export centre, before expanding rapidly in the 1800s with tourism and the arrival of the railway. Today, Aberystwyth is best known for its university, founded in 1872, and for the National Library of Wales.
So the name literally means the mouth of the winding river, the mouth of the River Ystwyth. Anyway, diolch, thank you. Give us a like, give us a share and give us a subscribe, and if you want to support me on my quest to explain every place name in Wales, and a couple outside of it as well sometimes, you can on my Patreon, the link's in my bio. Diolch, have a good one.